Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. We are at a paver sealing job here this morning. So we got a brand new pull deck here this morning to clean and sand and seal. So let me walk you back and show you what we got. We got a brand new pull deck here. We just finished everything up here. Got the pool balanced out. Pool guy just left now, so and since our brand new pavers, we're going to treat for the efflorescence and do our cleaning process, neutralize it, get it all prepped, and then we'll be back tomorrow to put some sand down and lay the sealer. All right, it's going to be another hot one today, so let's get busy.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood and stick.
All right, so we're finished with our point break, the organic cleaner. Now we're getting ready to put the neutralizer, the wipeout down, and then we'll be all set for today.
Education, I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Okay, so we got our neutralizer down now. Got that all clean in. Got this soaking. Now all we have to do is just rinse this off and everything will be prepped up here in these new pavers. Hey, good morning everybody. We're back at the paver sealing job for the pull deck. Let me take you back and show you what it looks like now it's all cleaned and dried up. Alright, so we got it all ready. Talking about paying attention to details, we're going to try to get some of this slopped up marcite off of the pavers from the pool guys when we installed it. Alright, so we'll try to get that taken care of and then we're ready to start sanding and laying the sealer down. Okay, so we're all done sanding, just a little touch up with the vacuum now, and we are ready to start mixing. We're tried in category 5. We're putting down a D2 solution on this one. We'll do this coping and then the outside first, and then we'll just go ahead and lay the sealer down. Okay, so we got the coping all done here. Now we're ready to start laying the sealer down. So got all that. All right, time to put some juice down here. All right, so we're all finished up here. Let me walk you around, show you what it looks like. 2 coats of Cat 5. The stones look beautiful now. Colors came out real nice. Okay, so that's a wrap on this one. We will see you at the next job.